How many times have you done this? A couple.
Yo, what up, guys? Oh. It's another day. Taking the car out. Instead of Freshhkiicks, we got the fresh Crocs on. What up? Oh! Alright. Get a little AC going before we start. So, ain't doing much today. Just gotta go get, gonna scoop up Patrick, and then gonna go out for a little drive. That's about it. Alright, so if you guys are new to the channel, this is my pretty much a stage 3 WRX. Puts down okay power. I'm getting ready to go full E85. I just ordered the IBR high pressure fuel pump. So with that, then I'll install my Cobb E85 kit. And once that happens, then I'm gonna get a tune probably from Fat Body. Everybody should know who that is. Probably go through him. I am on a Pro Tune right now through All Aspects, and they're in Chesapeake, Virginia. I mean, it's okay. I was daily driving this car. Now I'm not. Now I daily drive another car. So this is kind of going towards a back road, you know, monster pretty much. I got an S2000, and that's the track car. But this is gonna be my my fun car, you know, weekend car. So we'll go full E85. Hopefully we'll get just above 400 wheel on it. And that's what most people are getting. So if you can hear, it's got external wastegates, so it's the Killer Bee setup. And then of course up here I got the Cobb access port. It's a sweet deck right there, man. Sweet setup. I love that thing. Pulling up to Patrick's now. He's got this freaking sick car. There it is right there. Fat booty. Look at that car. Oh. This thing is sick. Whew. I'll put his IG down here. Oh, when you get a kayak. You know, he had a kayak. But yeah, I'll put his IG in here. It's broke 5-door, I believe. Broke down 5-door or something like that. It's sick. What's up, pups?
Probably a little bit more down. There you go.
Alright, just picked up Pat. And we're just gonna cruise around to our spot.
Oh yeah. How many times have you done this? A couple.
watching. If you haven't noticed, I usually don't take it all the way to redline. There's something wonky with my
I have to say something actually.
there's something wonky with my tune, so I short shift it. So yeah, it was acting funny before when I did launch control, and I took it all the way to redline, and it just didn't feel and sound right. So it was kind of weird. Yeah.
That's strange.
Yeah.
That's probably, I mean, you're shifting at what, like 55?
About,
That's
yeah.
probably where your horsepower peaks anyway.
Yeah.
Or torque peaks anyway. Well, torque's probably way earlier than that.
Yeah. All right, the only
this way. Or,
yeah. The only downside of the headers is the wastegate is the lowest point of the car. So any bumps or anything, you're gonna scrape. I did not realize that was a
you did it day one.
Yeah, it's
about
true.
hour, not even hour one, minute one maybe. Leaving all aspects.
Yeah.
Or pulling into.
I think it was pulling in. Yeah, we were pulling in, dropping off the car.
Yeah. Yeah. I remember that.
So it's a cool little area. We haven't been over here before, so we're kind of taking like the scenic route, and we're just kind of just cruising around.
That cop pulled into something. I don't know if he was turning around, so I would behave for a little bit.
Yeah. Ain't nothing like last time when I got the cops called on us.
Really? That was when you were with Rogers, right?
Yeah, yeah. He's not. He's in an apartment.
He is.
Yeah. All right, guys. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna end the video here. We're just gonna head back, and I'm calling it a day. Probably gonna go and wash the car later. And yeah. So stay tuned for the next videos. We're getting ready to wrap this car and finishing up the S2000. So if you haven't checked those videos out, go ahead and look at those. It's a track build, so that car is pretty much going to be a back road beast in a track / autocross monster. So that's it, guys. So see you until next time. Peace.